Hi everyone and welcome to Danka Praktik. If you have a chicken coop, one thing you need to have is a chicken tunnel. It lets the chicken walk around and eat grass, which is great for their overall health and for a good egg yield. There are numerous types. In our case, we decided to make a cage-like one as it was the most convenient for us. Stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
Besides this video, we recommend watching our other videos on similar topics to this one. The first video is about the benefits of having a chicken coop and why you should definitely have one in your backyard. The other video is about how we built our coop for a small amount of money. Perhaps it can help with building your chicken coop and give you some ideas. To watch these videos, click on the link in the corner or on the links in the video description. Now, why did we choose the cage type of chicken tunnel? Well, to be honest with you, we previously made the typical tunnel, which could be rolled, but the whole project didn't work out that well. It was our mistake. The tunnel needed some more reinforcements and a more resistant wire. The tunnel soon fell apart, and we found that the cage type was much more convenient and long-lasting. Regarding materials, we built it from leftover wooden laths that we had around the house and backyard. For connecting these, we used screws. To wrap the chicken tunnel, we used some wire from previous projects. So, all in all, we did not need to buy anything. It was all scrap material and leftovers. The dimension of the chicken tunnel is 1.3 meters in length and 1 meter in width. This is enough for 10 chickens to move around. The wooden frame was easy to build. Essentially, we first made a rectangle and then inserted the diagonal reinforcements. In the middle of the upper part of the cage, we inserted a bigger lath so we could connect the wire there. The point was to make a sturdy cage that could withstand moving around. The bigger job was wrapping the wire. The size of the roll we had dictated that we had to wrap the cage with two pieces that were connected together in the middle of the cage. So we measured the wire, cut it to the needed length, and then started with one side. To attach the wire, we decided to use smaller nails and staples. To properly fold the wire on the sides, we cut it, folded two sides in, and then folded the bigger, longer side above them. The same thing was done on the other side. Afterwards, we also attached the wire on the sides. We also added 4 handles made out of nylon rope so we could move the cage around more easily. The end result was a simple, easy to build, but effective cage or tunnel, however you like to call it. The downside here is that you have to move the chicken tunnel around the pasture, so perhaps in the near future we will install some wheels to make this easier. One more hidden message in this video: you can always repurpose old things around the house to make something useful. So don't throw away building material just like that, give it a second thought. That's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.